If you want to create a directory in Linux, you can use the MKDIR command. Here, MK stands for make and dir stands for directory. So I'm saying make directory. If you're from a Windows background, directory just means folder. So if I want to create a directory in Linux, I will just say mkdir space and the name of my directory. I will call it dir1, directory 1. And now I can see that my directory has been created. I can also create multiple directories like mkdir and the name of my directories. And now I can see multiple directories have been created. You can also see from here that the 4 directories has been created. If you want to create a directory within a directory, you can use the mkdir switch p. P stands for parent. So I will say the child of directory 1 is directory 1.2. If I press enter and go to directory 1, I can see directory 1.2 has been created inside directory 1. I'll clear my screen. Now without the switch p, I cannot create multiple directories if it does not exist. Suppose if I don't give the switch p and say a b, I can see that since the directory does not exist, since the parent I did not specify, these directories cannot be created. But with the p, I can create however many directories I want inside each of the directories recursively. So if I move to a, I can see b is created. If I move inside b, I can see C has been created, and so on until F. Also, if you want to create 100 directories with a single command, you can do is mkdir curly bracket 1 until 100, close the curly bracket, press enter, and now I can see 100 directories have been created with just a single command. Lastly, I'll come out of this. If I want to create a directory and set the permission of the directory at the same time, I can use the M. M is for mode 777, which means the users, group, and others can read, write, and execute, and the name of my directory. And now, if I long list, I can see that the permission of the directory 5 is different from the permission of the directory 1 to 4.